Hello and welcome to Trackops. I am Chuck Cox and I have a quick tip for you guys today about how to utilize your case update presets within your mobile app. If you're currently unfamiliar with case update presets in Trackops, I'll go ahead and drop a quick link in the comments section of this video to a support article on our website that discusses case update presets in the system to get you started. So from our dashboard here on our mobile app, we're already logged in. We can click the Cases tab at the bottom, and that'll bring us to our cases. And we're going to select our case that we're currently working. And from our case overview, we're going to select our Updates tab at the top. And this is going to bring us to our case updates on this case. And if we click the little pencil and paper icon at the top right, that'll bring us to a new case update. We can then select our access group. We can select our subject. And then if we click the little wand icon at the top right, it'll allow us to choose from our available case update presets. So we'll click the wand, we'll select our midday case update, and this is going to give us some pre-populated information about this update. And then we've got a place here we can add some notes. Once we add those notes, we can then attach a video. We can rename this video. Click done, and now we're ready to post our update. And now we've successfully posted this update utilizing our midday case update preset. If you have any other questions about case update presets or the mobile app, you can always send us a quick question by emailing us at support@trackops.com, and we'll get to your question as quickly as we can. Thanks again for choosing Trackops.